Standby power 24/7. Great unit, used a 10% coupon and got it from Lowe's $4.42xx with free delivery. Took about 4 days to install, including leveling a 20-inch grade, building a pad, drilling a brick and 8-thick concrete basement wall, transfer switch installation and gas line installation. Installation ran $2,500 materials and labor. Very solid unit and fired right up. Functions as intended. Great insurance plan for my neighbors, now our power will never go out. First week, we had several storms blow through and it's very comforting knowing losing power isn't a concern. Complete house power. Had to have an electrician to wire up. It cranks and runs every Sunday morning for about 5 minutes. I think we will live it. We installed a 500 gallons gas tank. That should run the generator for about 7 to 10 days. Click on the link below to see price.